Who else notices how these Agunechemba security forces are catching kidnappers back to back now? Like, it's really getting out of hand. It seems like every time you log on or turn on your television, your radio, your internet, anything that you can get information from, there's another headline celebrating their heroic actions. Here on Ebonyi People TV, we bring you the latest update as these brave men restore peace and security in our region. Just in, Agunechemba has burst a kidnappers hideout again, and this time around is at Owerri-Ezukala in Orumba South local government area. In a very daring and meticulously planned operation, these elite special forces raided the den of hoodlums who had long terrorized local communities. The kidnappers, who had been holding innocent citizens hostage for a very long time, were taken by surprise as this Agunechemba descended in full force, executing their mission with precision and efficiency. For far too long, Anambra State had garnered a notorious reputation as a haven for criminal activities, especially kidnappings, although it was not usually like this. But in recent times, the kidnappings, the terrorism, everything has been so much that the governor of Anambra State had to come in, thereby introducing these special forces. The residents of Anambra State lived in constant fear this period, with many families experiencing the heartache and loss that such criminality brings. However, with this latest operation, the narrative is beginning to change. The formidable Agunechemba have demonstrated that the era of lawlessness in Anambra State is nearing its end. This operation isn't just about apprehending criminals, it's about restoring hope and confidence among the people. And this is exactly what Governor Soludo promised in the Anambra. Local community members in Orumba South local government area have expressed their relief and renewed optimism. This raid is a turning point for community and for Anambra State as a whole. Their continuous and relentless operations have sent a clear message to the wrongdoers. There is no longer any sanctuary, hiding place, safe haven for criminality in Anambra State. The effectiveness of these special forces is reshaping the security landscape, not only in Anambra State, but also in the broader southeast. The resurgence of order in Anambra State is really an achievement. It is a culmination of rigorous training, advanced intelligence gathering, and a deep commitment to the safety of every citizen. The special forces of Agunechemba are highly skilled in navigating the complex challenges of modern-day security threats. That's why they were able to catch all these people back to back. In the last 1 month, if you missed out on the number of criminals, kidnappers that these people have caught so far, kindly go through our videos and feed your eyes. The ability to identify and neutralize dangerous criminal elements in the society, even in the most hostile environment, is really amazing and has earned them widespread admiration and respect. Beyond the immediate impact of their raids, Agunechemba's actions have broader implications for the region. They are instilling a renewed sense of confidence among the people, reassuring them that no one is above the law and that justice will prevail. As these operations become more frequent, the culture of impunity that once allowed criminal gangs to flourish is gradually being dismantled. Anambra State, once labeled a den of kidnappers, is steadily reclaiming its status as a peaceful and vibrant community where citizens can thrive without the constant fear of violence. To our dearest viewers, we encourage you to stay connected with our channel. We are committed to keeping you updated with real-time videos and comprehensive reports on how these security men continue their crusade against criminality. Our video updates will provide you with a closer look at the operations, the strategies, and the heroic efforts of Agunechemba as they hunt down the bad guys across Anambra State. Once again, browse through our videos to further update yourself on how Agunechemba is transforming the security landscape in Anambra State. We'll see you in our next video.
So Where the people where they lacha? Can that boy?
I go talk to.
Can that boy say? A buva?
I'm